Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the action transform data. Let's first open our example file, the animation library seat. We're going to create a new kind of the action seat and test the seat to stand, stand to seat, this kind of the action transition. And this is the highly frequently usage in the stadium simulation. So let's first open our seat action. So you can see that this is simply seat. And let's first click the Miami Ready and create the seat actions. Rename this. And they click this and control click the setup and hit P and create the action seat. It will take some time to creating this. Setup. This is a still action because there is no any of the movement forward or the backwards. And cycle action. All and the other setup, and we need to set up them as default values. And you can see that everything's fine. The seat action and Shift P and export that. Sing actions seat, and let's open our sample 24, the action logic and simple transition. And in this thing we are going to import the previously we created the action seat. Sing actions seat here. If the name convention is not correct, please fix that and put this right here. And we're going to create something transition like stand to seat and seat to stand. So let's do that. Here we're going to delete the existing actions, and here's the default decision. And the default action is stand, and let's create a new one, seat. It will start from the stand and directly seat when stand action is playback after the transition out. And here specify seat. Please notice the blank. Okay, hit enter and place our agents and playback. You can see that the agent will start from the stand and the seat. You may notice that there is a slippery on the feet, because the root of the agent, the root of action seat is right here. You can see that on this bone, on the root bone. But the stand, the root is here. So if the regular way, if the agent seat, it will sit like this, and the foot will be fixed right here. But because the root is no change and in the center, so the foot is moving forward a little bit. So let's watch that again. You can see that the foot is moving forward. So we needed to change the root of the seat action to the foot, okay, to something like this place right here. You can see that the foot front, let's just create a locator here, and use the left foot right here. And with the stand action, you can click Ctrl D and move right here. The foot is here. We're going to shift the root of the seat action from this place to this place. Okay, let's do that. Let's just select this one and select this one again and click the P. At this time, the right hand side of the locator is the child of the left locator. So you can see that there's transform data is minus 5.6 here. So we needed to move backward of the seed action here about 5.6. So let's do that. Select the seed, and here just please keep selecting this and make sure we are editing the action seed. And here we fill the transform data, agent transform data fix. This is a z-axis here, z-axis minus 5.6, and click the fix agent transform. You can see that there's a summary page, and yes. At this time, let's play back our animation again. You can see that everything is much better. You can see the agent will transit from the stand to seat with the foot fixed. And there's a little bit shifting on the foot. It's caused by the simple transition. If you are using the transition map, that every transition action can be control the agent. So the simulation can be very accurate. So there's a little bit on the foot that is caused by the simple transition, but everything makes sense. If you create a desk out here, for example, a cube, just imagine that there's the stadium and this is a desk, a chair, and the agent is sitting onto it. Everything makes sense. If the agent is stand in front of this chair, and if the agent is seat, it will sit onto it. So if the agent is in the previously it shifted right here, that does not make sense. Okay, so this is a usage of the agent transform data. You need to operate this kind of value on all of the seat actions or sit to stand actions, because the root, the first frame of the root, that action is onto the heap. You can also check the document in the part 6, in the action infrastructure, in the action transform data. We detailedly explained what is the action transform data and why we needed to shift that the backwards a little bit when we play back the seat, the action. This is really important. So this is an introduction for the action transform data. Thank you for watching. See you next time.